5-drawer chest. We have 2 sides and 5 bases. These are the parts. These are the tools recommended. Phillips screwdriver, rubber mallet, and a drill. They're not necessary. Only thing is necessary is a screwdriver, but the other tools do help out. These are the parts bag. So we first put aside all the handles, which is not needed to the last step. We have a bag of screws, which we use to enforce the back panels of each drawer and the back panel of the chest. Then we have another screw pack, which is used for all slides. The slides are here. You have 5 groups of slides. Okay, we put them aside. Next, what you do is you put together all the bases. You have 5 bases. We're going to put them in one separate pile. Then we have 5 drawer fronts. We put that also aside. Next, what's left is 5 drawer backs. The backs of every drawer. We put that aside. And then we have 10 drawer sides. There are lefts and there are rights. We will discuss them when we get to them. And then, last but not least, we have the drawer top, the chest top. So first we start with the bases. We get the dowels. We put a dowel on one side of each base, and we put one fastener, which can be referred to as a mom and a dad. These are the dads, these are the moms. They get placed in each hole. Then we get the dowels and we put it in the opposite hole. Now once this is complete, we're putting this aside. Now we take the drawbacks and we place dowels on each side. Now we flip them around and do the same on the other side. And we put that aside. Next we take 10 drawer sides, 2 for each side. Now there is a left and there is a right. And we put the dowels on the edges of the drawer sides. Keep in mind, you do not go in the middle, because in the middle will be the fastener of the other end. So they do not go in there. If you do mistakenly put it in the wrong hole, you will need a pair of pliers to take them out. Also keep in mind, we never place dowels in the side of the board where they could pierce through the edge. We always place the dowels on the sides so that they don't pierce through the other edge on all pieces. Next we do the other 5. You can push them in by hand, or you could use a rubber mallet. Next we start with the 5 drawer fronts. So with these we're using these, which are pops. And we screw them in each drawer front.